How do you promote justice in your daily life? When you're making your daily choices, does justice become a priority? At Justiça, we are invited every day to take action, to place justice at the center of how we think, speak, and act. Here, we learn that justice is essential to creating unity and harmony in all areas of our lives.
To be part of this community is to strive to become someone who truly understands that a just environment is built on respect, responsibility, and kindness. To us, these aren't just ideals. They're the foundation of how we treat one another and the community around us. One of the values that guides us is being promoters of justice. From small everyday decisions to bigger moments, we aim to let justice guide our way. We're learning that this means being fair, honest, and respectful in everything we do. At its core, being a promoter of justice requires living with integrity and honesty, qualities that build trust and strengthen relationships. As individuals, we must be committed to standing up for what is right, even in challenging circumstances.
True justice connects people, acting as a bridge that unites people across cultural and social differences. It fosters trust and helps us cultivate harmony in a world shaped by diverse cultures, beliefs, and experiences. In class, on the playground, in a group project with friends, we remind each other that justice begins with us, our choices, our words, and our actions. At Nations, we are promoters of justice. Together, we are committed to making justice visible, not just as a principle we believe in, but also as a way of life we choose to live.
Make justice visible.